bit of diesel fuel.
Beautiful day.
Very nice day out. Sky is blue with some clouds in it.
Braking applied.
All right. So we got everything set. All right. You ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Throttle up.
Send it.
Brakes released.
There she goes.
Lamps retracted.
That was quick.
Nice wide turns.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Beautiful out today, guys. Feels good out here. We got the L-39 turbine. And Bobby in the mix.
Yes, sir.
Sorry about the sun. Man, she's rolling, dude. I'm at 50% right here. Okay, so 50% throttle. Coming down line. She's moving.
Yeah, that's quick. Nice little tailwind there at 50%. Cool.
They got us some
Time
headwind.
remaining 2 minutes.
A little bit of headwind there, so it's helping it out. Climb. That is a Kingtech 70 in there. Cut across the field. Man. Maybe pushing that turn, that wind. It's great through down the line with some throttle on it, Bob.
All right. Oh, it's gonna be quick.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Man, it's so fast it just blurs out. But we're on it.
She's cooking. She's cooking. Right into that headwind too. Cooking.
Yeah, that L-39 just like punches through wind. It doesn't care. It just is very slippery. Nice flyer.
Alright, just gotta slow down. Sorry if I broke your neck.
Oh, you're good.
Come through on a gear pass.
C3.
Set up for a landing. Here we go. Power down some. Chop it.
Lamps set.
Nice.
Braking applied.
Oh,
Yeah, she tried to bounce with the
it's all right. She's down.
Yeah. Went over those ruts on the ground.
Brakes ready mode.
Bring her back over here. Very nice. Very nice jet, man. I'm so glad I'm into the turbines now.
Mm-hmm.
Man,
It's different, man. It's rewarding too. It's fun.
yeah.
All right, well, what you gotta say, man?
Man, let's start it off. Very, very happy about it. Hang on, let me turn it into the wind. Nothing. Make sure you guys do here. Always want to turn it into the wind. It smokes like this because it's diesel, guys. If I was running K1, probably wouldn't be as bad. But the turbine guys know that, right? Man, I'm happy to have it, man. I'm happy to fly turbines. That turbine bug has definitely bit me, and this is definitely the start of a new RC thing for me. You know, I do the big EDFs, but turbine is just another whole different thing.
Yeah, man. It's a journey.
Like, yeah, it's like starting over.
Yeah.
Going into flying jets all over again. So, Bobby, thank you for catching this
Of course.
on camera for me. This is my first turbine flight on camera.
Yeah, man.
You know,
And it was clean.
it's clean, successful. We had
Yep.
some wind too. You know, that's what the gyro works for. That's the Hobby Eagle gyro in there, guys. That helps out a lot. Takes all of that little mitigations out. So don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out RC Plane Reviewer for excellent reviews on RC planes. And hit the thumbs up, guys, on this channel as well as the like and subscribe button. Guys, I'm gonna go fly some more turbine.
All right, there it is.
Trying to have some fun.